Hey guys, I'm playing Subway Surfers Part 4. Yeah, sorry I'm late for, you remember the video where I started playing the Space Station update? Sorry I'm late, but look how many I have coins. I got them on myself. I just can't believe that I got them on my own. Do you want to see? I have no character. You see, I have Turkey, Jake, and stuff. And Nikolai, Alex. Everyone's using it. Only in it's Christmas cards. Well, updating. Anyways, let's stop talking about this. And let's about St. Petersburg. So I made it private without IC. So sorry if I download this Subway Surfers without day. But let's stop talking about the Christmas stuff of St. Petersburg and start talking about the super spacey stuff of Space Station. So I'm excited for the next update to come on 28 January, but that will be long in this time. So let's unlock the Mega Space Model. 400 keys. Let's see. Frank Cat. I got Frank Cat. You little bunny. Do you think it's Frank's girlfriend or Rabbit's girlfriend or something? Because I found Rabbit come back. Or, yeah, I found someone playing Easter thing. Or it's a Rabbit girlfriend or... Yeah, that's the thing. So let's go back to this. You got Space Bundle. No, I have... This is the first time I unlocked bundle. Oh no, I unlocked the same person bundle. I unlocked it before. So I think the next bundle needs 80 keys. Like in the same. So let's go next to the boards. I got a space board. The next one. See, I got this spaceship. Okay. I got to come down. Okay. Actually, first I want to use Frank Cat. They're both space surfers. And I'm using the secret source. So let's start. 3, 2. So now I took fish here. So let's see. Global clean. Now every time I press something, I put this thing. I have a lot of characters like Jake, Tricky, Nikolai, Easy, Alex, my cat, and Spacebot. That's all. Get this. That's the second time I unlock a bundle. Every time I get characters, just because I unlock a bundle, I never, you know how I get so many characters? Because I never, ever spend my coins. In the bundle, you get a lot of characters. So please, don't spend your coins for the character. Just wait until they get in one of the bundles. Every character gets in the bundle. So wait until the character gets in the bundle and unlock it. Don't unlock it on the other side way. So I wanted to unlock Festive Jake, St. Petersburg. But I said, what are you doing? So I don't want to spend my coins. I just have a lot of coins in. So the keys are not very, very important to the Subway Surfers. You can open only mystery boxes to it. Only spend coins. Or you can just get them on the way. But there are a lot of fun ways to get keys. So coins, you need to spend it. So just wait until the character is getting bundled. Did you see me at time I unlock a character what's not in the bundle? Nope. Unlock all the characters from bundles. what I need. So you see, I got a lot of rewards. I understand for the rewards, but rewards because I don't need a lot of stuff. So I try to use this. It's cool. So I'm gonna use spaceship this time. Okay. See how many I got stuff now? Like I never spend some stuff a lot. But you see, and if you keep playing, I never give up. So I just started playing this game a month ago, and I got it. Just a month ago. See, I got this. I started the game a month ago. You see, I started the game a month ago. Started playing the game. Look how many I got coins and stuff. So you see, you never give up. And even if you just start playing the game, you can get a lot of rewards. No need to cheat. Just play. You see how many I am playing hardly? So, you're gonna crash. Keep on going. You never give up. You know, some people give up. You know, some people give up. And don't want to. And try to cheat. I can never give up. Never, ever, ever, ever give up. See? That's the chance of Subway Surf. Just have to play. And you see, this 3 parts. So I haven't made the Subway Surf video for a while because I was working hard on getting a lot of coins. Then I spent for the rewards. I spent like coins for them. That's why in my last Subway Surf video I didn't have a lot of stuff. So because I spent my coins, then I got them and I got more keys too, and I opened mystery boxes to get keys. Now we got the space bundle. See, that's the trust of the game. After science and bye, guys, and see you out with more space videos.